In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 shutdown failure after the January 2026 update. Open Settings by pressing the Windows key plus I. When Settings opens, click Windows Update in the left sidebar. In the top right area, click Check for Updates. Windows will now look for anything new. If the emergency patch appears in the results, click Download and Install. Let Windows begin downloading and applying the update. When the button changes and you see Restart Now, click it to restart your PC and complete the installation. After Windows comes back up, try shutting down normally to confirm that the shutdown failure has been fixed. If the patch is not available, or if the problem continues, move to removing the update that caused the issue. Press the Windows key plus I again to open Settings. Click Windows Update in the left sidebar, then click Update History. On the Update History page, scroll down until you see the section for related settings, then click Uninstall Updates. This opens the Installed Updates list where you can remove a recent update from your system. In that list, find the January 2026 update. When you locate it, click Uninstall next to that update. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Uninstall again to continue. Windows will start removing the update, and this can take a minute, so wait while the process completes. When Windows finishes uninstalling it, restart your PC. After the restart, go back into Settings. Click Windows Update again. To stop that same update from coming back right away, click Pause for 1 week. If you see a drop-down for a longer pause period and that is part of your available options, choose the longer pause period there. This keeps Windows from automatically reinstalling the problematic update while you use the system. If shutdown is still failing, the next fix is to disable Fast Startup. Click the Start button on the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Type Control Panel. As you type, the search result for Control Panel should appear. Click Control Panel to open it. Inside Control Panel, click Power Options. In the left sidebar, click Choose what the power buttons do. At the top of that page, click Change settings that are currently unavailable. This option requires administrator rights, and it shows a shield icon next to it. After that area becomes editable, look under Shutdown Settings. Find Turn on Fast Startup Recommended and remove the checkmark from that box. Then click Save Changes. This disables the hybrid shutdown behavior that can interfere with normal power transitions. If you need a direct workaround, use Terminal with administrator rights to force a full shutdown. Right-click the Start button in the taskbar. From the menu, click Terminal Admin. If a permission prompt appears, click Yes. In the terminal window, type the shutdown command exactly as shown in your instructions or pinned comment. Then press Enter. Speak and enter it carefully so the command goes in correctly. This runs an immediate full shutdown and bypasses the normal graphical shutdown process that is triggering the bug. At this point, your PC should be able to shut down properly instead of restarting. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You can use any of these fixes depending on what is available on your system. Installing the emergency patch is the permanent solution because it addresses the issue directly through Windows Update. Uninstalling the January 2026 update, pausing updates, disabling Fast Startup, and using the Shutdown command are workarounds to use when the patch is not available yet, or when the issue continues after the update.